Hey guys, if you're watching this video, then you are doing the how much does it cost to feed a baby for a year challenge. So you have been given this information in the last video, and the goal is to find out the units is amount of money per year. So we can make a whole bunch of different fractions on the information above. The way that you're going to solve it is I like to set up this number line. So this is kind of adjusting back from the dimensional analysis more to a stoichiometry. Some chem teachers call this a railroad tracks. I don't think it looks like railroad tracks, but that's just me. But what this is a series of fractions that are being multiplied together. So the line across represents your fraction bars, and each up and down line would be the multiplication. So $42.99 is the cost for 2 containers. You know we want to keep the money on the top, but we don't want containers on the bottom. So we need something else that contains containers, and you can see one container in 567 grams of powder. The container would need to be on top so that they would cancel. The grams of powder would go on the bottom. Now we want the amount of money per year, not the amount of money per grams, so we have to keep going further. We also have 8.7 grams of powder is the same thing as 2 fluid ounces of formula. We don't want money per fluid ounce, so we need something else. So we know 30 fluid ounces is equivalent to 1 day, and we know 365 days is equivalent to 1 year. When we cancel units, we can do the math, multiply everything on the top, divide by everything on the bottom, and you should get $1,805.76 to feed a baby formula for the year. Now this is back when I had my daughter, so it might be more expensive now. This also doesn't take into consideration things like spillage, and if you talk to any parent, you know they have spilled a lot of formula when they are very tired in the middle of the night if they used formula. So it's probably more than this, but for the sake of our data and our experiment here, this is the cost for today.